Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be doing a headlight restoration on this Toyota Tundra. So first off, I'm going to start off by just cleaning the headlight with some water. Alright, so the next step we're going to do is just wet sand. We're just going to grab a sanding paper. It's a 2000 sanding paper. So now we're just going to obviously add water to sand it down. So right here, we're just gonna keep repeating this process. Just going back and forth, up and down. Trying not doing like circular motions. Okay, so right here, we're just finishing it off. About to wipe it. To start the other process of the sanding, we're gonna use a higher number. It's gonna be 3K. So obviously it's the same process. Just wet it and keep using the sandpaper. Going left and right and up and down. Alright, so right here we're just finishing it up, and grab a microfiber towel and just go ahead and wipe off the sanding residue. So now the next process that we're gonna do is obviously get a headlight restoration. I'm gonna be using from Chemical Guys. I'm gonna be putting it on a microfiber polishing pad, just a few drops. So then what I'm gonna be doing right now is just dabbing it all over the headlight and then just start working it in. And then what you're gonna do right now is just grab a microfiber towel and just wipe off the chemical off the headlight lens. Just a few wipes, just try to remove what's left. Alright, with the same chemical, just a few drops on the pad. Gonna be using a finishing pad. Obviously just dab it out. And it's the same process as before, just working the chemical. Alright, so I'm almost gonna be finishing. Now I'm gonna get a microfiber towel and just wipe off what's left on there. Just like buff off what's left. Alright, so now the next process, we're gonna obviously protect it. So we're gonna add this active. It protects and shines. So you're just gonna spray a little bit, some on your microfiber towel too if you want, and then just spread it out. Yeah, so that's basically it. Headlight restoration. If you guys like it or have any suggestions on how to do it better or different ways, just let me know in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe.